for Indonesia, and when did you start thinking about it? And the second question is, one of the players of Persib Bandung already has target to get 20 goals for this season. Do you have any targets for this season?
Normally the answer was double figures, but yes, I don't know about 20, but I hope I will get to that number. I don't have one in particular, but most important for me, looking back in my career, I like to score a goal where my team win a game. I don't like to score a goal much when we don't win. I want to score one if that's the winning goal. So I want to score important goals. That's what my target is.
It's one of the stats for you, and you're going to move somewhere else after this.
My Nigerian teammate, he said, I see you staying here for longer than that, because he loves the country. He's now Indonesian, plays for the country as well. I don't know what the future will be, but I will say maybe he knows what he's talking about, and I hope soon I will find out.
Oke, jadi Peter untuk saat ini belum tahu, tapi dia harap bisa lebih lama di Indonesia karena dia juga suka Indonesia gitu. Personal dia suka warna merah. Dan untuk permasalahan di Stoke City, kenapa dia pindah karir ke sini? Karena dia lebih memilih untuk bisa bermain di klub yang lebih kecil tapi menjadi sesuatu dan menjadi lebih shining daripada di klub besar dan hanya menjadi bagian dari itu. Gitu.
Well, I will have to confess it's not easy. It's quite far from where I live. I have little children, a wife, so it's been maybe a couple of weeks now. I've been in contact with few agents. It's normal when you are a free agent. You announce yourself available. Lots of people come with offers. So Indonesia one was far, but at the same time very exciting. There's a little thing about Indonesia that I knew apart from Bali, is my children, they watch a cartoon called Go Jetters, and there was a Komodo dragon in one of them, and they keep asking to play the same one all the time. So, and then my wife said, yeah, it was Indonesia with Komodo. So now I have a chance to bring them and show the real one.
Ya, jadi untuk memikirkan masalah kesempatannya sejak kapan cukup lama karena Indonesia cukup jauh dari tempat dia berasal. Tapi dia setelah memikirkan berbagai waktu lama, akhirnya dia memutuskan ke sini. Salah satu alasannya karena anaknya suka dengan Komodo. Kalau dia suka nonton TV dan suka kartun Komodo, jadi dia merasa kalau main di Indonesia bisa bawa anak dan juga istrinya ke sini. Salah satu alasan itu.
Romantis.
Untuk gol, kita belum bisa ngasih angkanya yang jelas. Tapi dia lebih prefer untuk kasih important goals daripada jumlahnya. Jadi dia pengen bisa bawa gol yang bisa bawa timnya menang daripada hanya jumlahnya saja yang dipertimbangkan.
Born in USSR, our national colors were red. Then growing up I was a big fan of AC Milan because they showed Italian league a lot. I loved the club, and there's a touch of black in it as well. So that was in my mind. Stoke City is a club I did really well and had a great time. This associates with Stoke a little bit. So in general, I like red color. So it's not hard question. Regarding the career, yes, Stoke City is a very big club now with a lot of players. The squad was very big. We had 25 probably top players that could play in any other club. So I prefer to be active. And in my final year in Stoke, we had new players that come in that were going to the European Cup, so they had to play every game to be ready for a big tournament for their country. So I had less game time, so I preferred to go to a lower league. I went to loan in Championship to Bristol, played there a bit, scored a few goals. So my philosophy is I prefer to be in a smaller place, smaller league, play in every game, than being somewhere and just being part of a squad. My name says God chooses. I believe He chose for me and He directed me here because I'm now back fit. European season is going to finish in the next month, so it's of no point joining any team there. And the season in Indonesia is starting. Obviously, before coming, I heard Michael Essien arrived here. I had a few texts to him, and he was impressed. He said people were very friendly. And he sounded happy to go back. You know, he was in London when he texted me. So I didn't know much about Indonesia. I know Bali. It's a very beautiful place. I've never been, but I look forward to going there. You know, every country, to get to a high level in football, they have to start somewhere, and I think they're showing. You know, Mr. President spoke about continuity. Aruna mentioned the word in English, those were the two words I understood. He mentioned marquee player. So the way to improve your league, you have to get marquee players, big players that the younger players can learn from. And I've been in the game long enough. I am still good. I'm going to score some goals and obviously teach the younger ones some things that will make them be better players. Comparing myself to Carlton Cole and Essien, I can't really compare. I can only say me and Carlton Cole were strikers. We score goals. Maybe I've scored a bit more than him in my career. But he's a good player, very brave, strong physically. Michael Essien is a box-to-box player. He can defend as well as attack, so he's a big asset for his team. He's a leader. He played in big clubs. So, but I will do my best to outshine them in the league.